Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to our class. Today we are starting chapter 1, Architectural Foundation of ERP and Workflows. In this chapter, we will learn how companies use software and organize steps to connect their daily work and make smart business decisions. Let's keep it simple and look at the big picture. What is an ERP system? This is our main question. First, what is an ERP system? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Think of it as a big software system that controls all daily operations in a company. Instead of every department working alone, ERP connects finance, human resource, factory work, and sales together. The most important part is that it uses one central database so everyone shares the exact same information in real time. Key features of ERP systems. A real ERP system must have three simple features. First, we have data management. So it stores all company information in one safe place, which stops mistakes and data mixing. Second, process automation. It does repetitive daily tasks automatically, which saves time and human effort. Third, data analysis. It studies company data to give managers clear insights to make better decisions. The next part, business value of ERP. Why do companies spend money on ERP? This is a very important question we need to answer. Well, to answer it, there are three simple reasons. One, better decisions. Managers use real, accurate facts to make choices instead of guessing, of course. Second, lower cost or cost reduction. It fixes problems in manufacturing and inventory, which saves a lot of money. 3. Competitive advantage. It helps the business adapt quickly when the market changes. Well, core ERP system complements. An ERP system is made of different parts or modules working together. First, the financial module manages accounting, money, bills, and taxes. The supply chain module helps with hiring or tracks buying, warehouse, storage, or shipping. The human resource module helps with training, hiring, and employee salaries. The operation modules organize factory production and checks product. Next, we will see major implementation challenges. Be careful, my friends. Installing an ERP system is not easy. Companies face big challenges. One of them, it's very complex and takes a long time and a lot of teamwork to set up. We can find another challenge as high costs because buying the software and servers is very expensive. Another, it's hard to connect with all the software systems the company already uses. Finally, we can say that it requires a culture shift, meaning employees must change how they work every day. Now let's move to the second part of our chapter. What is the workflow? To answer this question, we can say it's simply an organized series of steps or tasks done in specific order to finish goal. It is just a clear step-by-step way to organize work inside any company so that tasks are done smoothly. The workflow has 7 core components. So every workflow has 7 basic parts that you need to know, my friends. First, the start, where the process begins. Second, the actual tasks we do in order. The third, decision points, moments where you must choose the next step. The fourth part is participants, the people or department doing the job. Inputs, the information or data you need to start. And output, the final result or product, and the point where the workflow is successfully finished. Next, we will see key strategic benefits of workflow. Why do workflows help businesses? Well, they improve speed and efficiency by organizing tasks perfectly. Also, they create standardization so the work is done the exact same way every time. Also, they reduce human error and stop time wasting. And they offer transparency, meaning everyone can see their exact role in the process. Now we will see common types of corporate workflows. There are, of course, different types of workflows for different business needs. We have operational and manufacturing workflows for factory lines. We have business process and human workflows for bills, hiring, and onboarding new staff. We also have consumer and security workflows to solve client problems, for example, or protect against cyber threats. In general, there are 10 steps to design an effective workflow. To design a good workflow, we follow 3 simple phases. Phase 1, planning. We define the goal, check the old process and pick the participants. Phase 2, development. We draw the steps, document the rules and test it with a trial run. Phase 3, execution. We train the employees, launch the workflow, monitor the performance and make it better over time. Now we will see real work case studies. Let's look at real life. Famous companies, use workflows to stay successful. For example, IBM uses workflows to plan internal resources. Amazon uses them to ship order Amazon uses them to ship orders at lightning speed. Tesla uses them to build electric cars faster. JP Morgan Chase automates bank transactions. Mayo Clinic uses workflows to take better care of patients. As a conclusion, we can say ERP systems and workflow are tools that work together. They are the best way for modern companies to boost productivity, improve communication, and win against competitors. Thank you for listening, and now, do you have any questions? I will answer them. Put them in the comment section. Thank you.